We've been really lucky at the event here in Ha Long Bay. We've had a great mix of celebrities, of real influencers, but ultimately everyone's gelled fantastically. You get a sense that everyone here is ultimately looking just to have a great time, enjoy a great brand and a great experience that the John Walker Sons yacht, Voyager yacht, has given us.
There's a whole story behind the bottle, so it can match the motion of the sea, which is a very great creation of Alexander Walker in 1930.
It's a beautiful bottle. I think it's very different from everything else, and I think it's something that will amaze the world, and I think it's very exceptional. Yes.
I would love to travel from Ha Long Bay to Ho Chi Minh with this boat. That would be my dream.
The Vietnamese love what Johnny Walker stands for, so we believe strongly in the future of Johnny Walker and John Walker & Son particularly.
Already the excitement has been absolutely massive. We really believe that this is a market that's already booming in luxury and that could become a powerhouse in the luxury market within the world, undoubtedly.